Welcome to our step-by-step guide on septic tank pumping.
In this video, we will walk you through the process of pumping your septic tank to ensure its proper functioning.
Let's get started. The first step is to locate your septic tank. It is usually buried underground and marked with a manhole cover. Use a metal detector or follow the plumbing lines to find it. Make sure to wear protective gloves and clothing before proceeding. Before pumping the septic tank, it is important to prepare the area. Clear any debris or vegetation around the tank and ensure there is enough space for the pumping truck to access it. Keep pets and children away from the area for their safety. To pump a septic tank, you will need the appropriate equipment. This includes a septic tank pump, hoses, and safety gear. Ensure that the pump is in good working condition and the hoses are securely attached before starting the pumping process. Now it's time to pump the septic tank. Connect the hoses to the pump and insert them into the tank through the manhole cover. Start the pump and carefully remove the accumulated waste from the tank. Take breaks if needed and avoid overfilling the pump or causing any spills. After pumping the septic tank, it is crucial to dispose of the waste properly. Contact your local waste management facilities for guidance on where to empty the pump. Dispose of the waste according to the regulations to prevent any environmental contamination. To maintain a healthy septic system, regular pumping is essential. Set up a schedule for routine septic tank maintenance and adhere to it. This will help prevent clogs and prolong the lifespan of your septic system. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to pump a septic tank. Remember to follow proper safety precautions and maintain a regular pumping schedule to ensure the optimal performance of your septic system. Thank you for watching.